We're about to take off the pedals. Just to clear the access up and make it a bit easier to get in there, we'll take off this fuse holder, which is held on with just one bolt. Next up, we're going to take out the pedal assemblies and then we're going to remove the interior carpets. So we'll start with the accelerator and the brake pedal, which can come out as one unit. So the easiest way for us to take out the pedals, we can take out the accelerator and the brake pedal. They're all part of one assembly here. So we start by taking the accelerator cable out of the pedal itself with this clip here. Next, we will take the clevis pin out and free up the brake pedal here. This connects the pedal to the brake master cylinder. So we just pull out this clevis pin, pull through the pin, and that's the pedal freed. We can now unbolt this assembly, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, and remove the entire assembly. And we just finish off with a 12mm bolt that goes upwards. Before we remove it, we just disconnect the brake pedal wire connector and pull the assembly off. With the brake and the accelerator pedal removed, we'll take on the clutch, and all we'll do is remove the pedal because I believe the actual supporting bracket is connected to the clutch master cylinder, so we'll leave that until we get into the engine compartment later. We'll start by disconnecting the wiring connector, and then using a pair of pliers, we will reach in and disconnect this spring from behind the pedal. So having removed the spring from the pedal, we'll use a 14mm wrench on the back to lock off this bolt, and we'll slacken this nut using a 14mm socket. And remove the locking washer. And with that out, we can push through this pin and release the pedal.